In this module, we will learn the divisibility rules of 8, 9 and 11. First, let us start with 8. Divisibility by 8. In case of divisibility by 4, we see the numbers at ones and tens place are divisible by 4. For divisibility by 8, the number formed by the digits at units, tens and hundreds place, that is, last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Let us see. Are 1000, 2104, 1416 divisible by 8? Look at the digits at ones, tens and hundreds place of these numbers. These are 000, 104 and 416 respectively. On dividing them by 8, we have, for 000, it is 000. For 104, it is 13. And for 416, we get 52. All the 3 cases are completely divisible by 8. Now let us check if the original numbers are divisible by 8. On dividing 1000 by 8, we have 125. On dividing 2104 by 8, we have 263. And in case of 1416, we get 177. This shows that all 3 numbers are completely divisible by 8. Hence, we conclude that the numbers formed by the digits at units, tens and hundreds place, that is, last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9. The multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54 and so on. There are other numbers like 4608, 5283 that are also divisible by 9. Do you find any pattern when the digits of these numbers are added? 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 4 plus 6 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 18. 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 3 is equal to 18. All these sums are also divisible by 9 as the sum is the multiple of 9. Is the number 758 divisible by 9? Let us see by adding the digits. The sum of its digits, 7 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 20, is not divisible by 9. So, the number is not divisible by 9. These observations lead us to say that if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number itself is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 11. The numbers 308, 1331 and 61809 are all divisible by 11. We form a table and see if the digits in these numbers lead us to some pattern. Here in 308, sum of digits at odd places is 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. And at even places is 0. The difference of both is 11 minus 0 is equal to 11. In 1331, sum of digits at odd places is 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 and at even place is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Their difference is 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. In case of 61,809, sum of digits at odd places is 9 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 23 and at even place is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. And the difference is 23 minus 1 is equal to 22. We observe that in each case, the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11. All these numbers are also divisible by 11. For the number 5081, the difference of the digits is 5 plus 8 minus 1 plus 0 is equal to 12, which is not divisible by 11. The number 5081 is not divisible by 11. Thus, to check the divisibility of a number by 11, the rule is: find the difference between the sum of the digits at odd places from the right and the sum of the digits at even places from the right of the number. If the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11.